Hi everybody, I've got my Modern Quilters box again. It's been a couple of days sitting here, but I finally managed to get time to video it. So as usual, beautiful green, bright green, and that rainbow tag. Oh, what have we got today? Okay, I'm going to read the enclosed note so that it tells me what's in here. This month's range of fabrics is by Modern Handcraft. Should we just go on straight away and look at the fabrics? Okay. You twisted my arm. And they're all black and whites. Let's have a look. This month we did something new. Instead of using just one collection, we've made this bundle of all black and white prints. These will be fun to use along with so many of the colourful fabrics you've gotten in past projects and past boxes, or stand alone as a black and white quilt. Let's have a look at them. Oh, some nice little geometrics, some grid, triangles. That one's lovely, I like that. Gosh, I'm going to have to go and look at some selvages to see what they're from, because there's some gorgeous ones. Oh, and my all-time favouriteest art gallery print makers. And I read this week that they've made this a basic or a standard, so it can be reordered and found again. I did have a couple of meters stashed away, but I might be able to use it now. So, and some more lovely low volume black and whites, some mid-tones. There's some lovely ones in here. They make a really good idea of putting it with the really brights that we've had recently. So some lovely ones there. Excellent. Now what else have we got? Ooh, got a sampler quilt. It's called Range. That looks awesome. I'm just trying to see whether it's some paper piecing or whether it's some normal ones. Oh, these are all the blocks that we get each month. It's how to put them all together into a lovely quilt. Awesome. And here is another pattern. Oh, for a backpack. I've been wanting to do one, but I haven't found a nice pattern yet, so I might have a good look at that one. And you can use it with waxed canvas or just normal fabrics. So that looks interesting to have a bit of a play with. Ooh, what's their goodie? Some mint chocolate. Yum. Mint chocolate cookies. Wonder whether they'll even make it to the photo afterwards. Oh, here's Range. This is the Range pattern. That's fantastic. That would look amazing with some of those ombre fabrics by Jennifer Sampu, and I think is it Juicy Juice that's just about to bring out another one with these sort of ombres across the whole fabric. Fantastic. I'm really wanting to try one of the... Ooh, just saw something interesting. A little felted wool pressing mat by Gypsy Quilter. It's a 4-inch square size. Great to have by your machine or to take to a class. So if you're pressing, you know, little small pieces. I've been wanting to try one of these wool pressing mats. Have you tried one? I'd love to hear what you think about them and whether they're worth the money, because they are not cheap, I can tell you. And our little stash tea is an organic Earl Grey. My dad will love that one when he comes to visit. And where's their sticker? Be who you were created to be and you will set the world on fire. I love their stickers. I'm a bit of a sucker for stationery, so stickers are always awesome. So what a great box. Black and whites, wool pressing mat, 3 awesome patterns. One that's the putting together of all of the monthly blocks, cute sticker. Wonderful. I'll see you again next month.